Hello guys, it's Dale here with a weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 22nd of November 2021. Before I go into the trading ideas for this week, I would like to tell you that there's a Black Friday sale on my website, and if you would like to get one of my best educational courses on trading, then you can currently get them with 50% discount. So if you're interested in learning how to trade with volume profile, then you can get my elite pack 50% discounted in here. And if you're interested in day trading with order flow, then you can get my order flow pack 50% discounted in here. All right, now with both those two packs you are going to get a special bonus. It's a brand new thing and I just released it. It's called Trade Manager. It's in here, just click that and you can learn all there is about the Trade Manager. You can learn all the special features it has and everything about it in here on this page. Alright, so that's for that. Let's now jump into the charts. But before I start talking about that, before I forget, let me announce the winner of the contest we had the last week. Currently on your screen you should see the name of the person who won the contest, who won my volume profile indicator for ninjatrader 4 platform. So congratulations for winning in the contest, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week I'll randomly pick one person who will win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's for a contest, and let's now finally have a look at the charts. What I'm going to talk about today is swing trading with the volume profile. So what you are looking right now is my swing trading layout. It is a daily chart. It's just one chart and it shows daily candles. It shows yearly VWAP. Those are the lines in here. And the main tool that I use is flexible volume profile. That's the volume profile that you can move around, look into specific areas like this. So that's basically the only thing that you need there. So the first trading idea is on the euro dollar, and as you can see there's currently a strong sell-off, strong downtrend. Strong sellers are pushing the price downwards right now, and if you use the flexible volume profile like I did, then you will see that there is a massive volume zone right there in this rotation, which took more than a month, like a month and a half. And within this rotation, massive volumes were traded right there, those heavy volumes, right? After that, from this heavy volume zone, strong sell-off started. So what this sell-off tells us is that strong sellers were building up their shorts there, institutional sellers, right? And they pushed the price downwards, they manipulated the price to go downwards from there, after they have entered their shorts. Now this is pretty important information, and the reason is that we know that this place, this zone, is important for those strong sellers, for those institutional sellers. So what will happen when the price makes it back into this zone again is that those sellers are likely to defend this zone. They are likely to add some more to their shorts in this zone. It's heavy liquidity zone, so they'll add some more shorts, and they'll probably start selling again and pushing the price downwards from this resistance which they've created before. Right, so this is a strong resistance because those strong sellers will be defending it. This is important zone for the strong sellers, and when there's a pullback, then it should hold. This setup is called the volume accumulation setup because there were heavy volumes accumulated in here and there was the sell-off afterwards. So that's the volume accumulation setup. You can learn everything there is about this trading setup in my trading courses I was talking about a moment earlier. There's also one more thing that I wanted to show you about this resistance level. I need to zoom out a bit and load a bit more of data. So I loaded more data, and the thing I wanted to show you here is how the price reacted to this area in the past. Now I'm not talking just about this level, but what I'm interested in is this general area around that level. It's not just the level, because the volumes were accumulated in a wider area, right? So it's the whole area I'm interested in. And you can see that the price was bouncing off this area really strongly in those two places. So this means that this area already worked as a strong support in the past. And when the price went past that support, it became a resistance. Right? This is an old price action setup which I like to use. And that setup says that a broken support becomes a resistance. And in this case, it adds strength to our volume-based level, which is in here based on those volumes, right? So those two trading setups nicely align and point to that resistance I showed you, resistance starting at 115.56. Now this is a swing trading idea, so you don't want to trade that with too tight stop loss and too tight take profit. In this case, you can use as wide stop losses, for example, in here, which would be like 150 pips, right? Behind this heavy volume area. And I recommend trading this at least with risk reward ratio 1, so take profit could be somewhere in here. Alright, so yeah, that's the first trading idea on the euro dollar. It's a swing trading idea. And another swing trading idea I would like to show you is on the euro British pound. So now the chart shows the euro British pound. Again, it is a daily chart, so those are daily candles. And again, I'll be using the flexible volume profile. In this case, there is a significant area, this one, this area where the price went upwards, then turned and went aggressively downwards. When there is a scenario like this, I call it a strong rejection of higher prices, because strong buyers were pushing the price upwards, and then sellers rejected the higher prices and pushed the price downwards. So when I see this, I use my flexible volume profile over the whole rejection area like this. And what I'm interested in is heavy volumes within the rejection. Heavy volume cluster, like in this case. Such a heavy volume cluster tells me that this is a place where sellers who rejected the higher prices placed most of their shorts. This is the most important zone, this heavy volume zone, the most important zone within the whole rejection. And it tells me that this zone, this place, is important for sellers, for strong sellers who rejected the higher prices. And how to trade this is you wait for pullback and you wait until the price reaches this significant volume zone, right? In this case, the significant volume zone begins at 0.8542, and from there you go short, because the sellers, the strong sellers, should be defending the zone. Clearly it's important for them because they were defending it before and they placed a lot of their shorts there, so it's likely they'll defend it again, and that's why the price should go downwards from there again. Alright, this is the rejection setup, and this is the reason why I think that the price will react there and go downwards from this zone, this heavy volume zone. So yeah, that's the euro British pound. And let's now go and have a look at the next trading idea. Again, it is a swing trading idea, and it is on the US dollar Japanese yen. So this is the US dollar Japanese yen. Again, it is a daily chart. And what I wanted to show you in here is the volume accumulation setup, the same setup we used on the euro dollar. In this case, there's a very long sideways price action, very long rotation in here. And from that rotation, strong trend starts. Right, so that's basically the same thing as on the euro, only reversed. And if you remember, what to do in such case is you use volume profile over the whole rotation area, you want to see how volumes are distributed there, right? So now you can see that there are massive volumes traded there in this rotation. Those were the heaviest volumes throughout the whole year, traded in this rotation. What happened next was that strong uptrend started from there, which tells us that those volumes were strong buyers. Those buyers were building their long positions in here in this rotation, and then they pushed the price aggressively into the uptrend. So when there's a pullback to this heavy volume zone, which is beginning somewhere around 110, then the strong buyers from this rotation will want to defend this zone, defend their longs, probably use this zone as a liquidity zone and add some more to their long positions in here, in this zone again, and push the price upwards from there again. Currently this is the strongest level on the US dollar Japanese yen because of those massive volumes traded there, so it's definitely worth checking this strong support out when the price makes the pullback there. And I think that it's very likely that the price will react there and go upwards from there again. Right, so that's the logic behind this strong support on the US dollar Japanese yen. Currently the strongest level on the US dollar Japanese yen, so you definitely want to keep your eye on this one. So yeah, that's for that. That's for the swing trading ideas. I hope you guys liked them. If you would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, then as I was saying in the beginning of this video, I recommend going to my website, trader-dale.com, and going here, trading course and tools. This is where you can enroll in my best educational pack that will teach you how to trade with volume profile. So you click this button and scroll down a bit. What I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is a complete package that includes video course on trading with volume profile. It also includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting every day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed, and also a couple of bonuses. There's a video which you can watch. In the video there's everything described more in detail, so you'll know exactly what you will get with the Elite Pack. One thing I haven't mentioned yet is that with the Elite Pack you are also getting a free tech support for Elite Pack members, and this tech support will install NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators, all my trading workspaces. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's a part of the Elite Pack service that we provide to our members. Alright, so that's the Elite Pack. Currently there's a 50% discount on it because of the Black Friday sale we currently run. So if you are thinking about getting it, I think that this is your best chance to get it because this is the lowest price for the Elite Pack ever. So yeah, that's for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area, and until then, happy trading.